Alright, Mike, we are at the Embassy Suites. Oh boy. Oh. Yeah, this thing's hefty.
Staged acceleration.
Yeah, it's staged. They fake it.
It doesn't say the capacity in this.
Is the penthouse open? No. Teehee. Let's see here. Here we are at the 42nd floor.
This is the lantern right here.
Oh, whoa. Let's see here. Oh, wow, look at that. Damn it. That is cool. And there is a view, not of the falls. This elevator is big for 42 floors. All right. P6. Damn, look at this thing. Look at that view. There we go. Did you see the lantern in the lobby for this thing?
Yeah, it looked like a fake door frame almost.
It did, it did. I wish I could have caught it, but they had a bunch of people in attendance there. Okay, I'll try to get a picture of it. They'll probably be chill if I do. They won't care. Hopefully. This thing takes a second to level in. Alright, I want to see what the lantern for this one is. Oh yeah, look, look. Oh, this one doesn't have the weird lantern. Anyway, that will be it.